Well, hello everybody. Welcome back. Josh here with Josh's Lawn and Landscape. Back at the property where I did the pruning just the other day, and talked with a lady about the straw. Um, Interesting story behind that. Did a calculation. I gave her a quote, and she actually said that that was a little more than she wanted to pay, and she was going to get some family members or friends from down the road to help, which said that's fine, no problem. And sometimes stuff just works out. And she actually messaged me back the next day. They could not get together, I guess, to work it out in time when she needed it done. And thankfully, she gave me enough heads up that I could pick up the straw yesterday and be out here today with the way my schedule worked out. So I actually wound up with a job. So came back day before yesterday and picked up the check and deposited it. Went yesterday, picked up the straw, dropped it off under her shed, and then try to keep it mainly dry. We had a little rain overnight, and a couple of bales on the front. One side of them got a little wet, but that's okay. So I've got the straw out here, and I did kind of a walk around before of the area, but I'll give you a quick overview of where I'm going to be putting the straw out at and explain why. So let me turn the camera around and I'll be right back. Actually, I don't have to because I had it turned around already. So you can see I got the rolls out here. I'm a big fan of the rolls. They're not as tightly packed as the bales, so it's far easier to separate and spread them. See, I got them laid out all the way around the house. Rough estimate of what they're going to cover, give or take a bale, maybe excessive in an area or two, but I just move them on around as I go. So all the way around the house, and then around this little smokehouse building here, just a little narrow border around it. So that's what it is. It's 26 rolls is what I've got out here, which is roughly about 52 bales, somewhere around 50 to 55, somewhere in that range, ballpark. These are roughly equivalent to 2 or so bales, maybe a little more in some cases, but that's what we got. And I'm going to spread it out, and then once I get everything done, we'll do maybe a finished product. So y'all stick around. I don't know if I'll get any footage of actually putting any out, or maybe doing some of the tucking the straw at the end. I might try to get some footage of a little bit of that in an area or two, but if I do, hopefully I'll be able to put in this video. So stick around. Well, hopefully you can see that. I'm going to wrap it up, and I'll review the footage, and hopefully I'll be able to make a video out of this. So here we go. Alright, y'all. Well, hopefully you got some of the live footage of me tucking it, but I did just do the walk around, the finished product. So did a pretty good job. I estimated about 25 rolls. I bought 26. I got one left, so I did pretty good on that one. So I got that one done for her, so that'd be good when they come to take pictures. She's actually putting the house up for sale, and so yeah, hopefully she'll message me tomorrow since it's dark. Ronaldo's favorite time for me to end the video, and hopefully maybe she'll like it. I hope. But looks good, I think. Couldn't get a early daylight picture there of it being wrapped up, which I saw what it looked like before. Hopefully you can tell the difference with the after footage, and y'all let me know y'all's thoughts. So appreciate y'all taking time to watch, and as always, y'all be safe, be kind, be blessed. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks, everybody.